video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily download the PrimeXBT application on your PC. To do so, first make sure to download and install an Android emulator. You can download any other Android emulator, or you can download the BlueStacks Android emulator. Simply go ahead and do it and then open the Android emulator. Also make sure that you are logged into your Google account using your Google account's credentials to open up and access BlueStacks. It'll then open up the BlueStacks app player. Once you're inside this page, go to the search box and type in PrimeXBT and perform your search. You'll be able to find the PrimeXBT application in this page over here in the search result. If you don't find it here, click on the search in Google Play option and you'll be able to see the app right there. Now click on the install button and wait for the application to be downloaded and installed on your PC. And once it completes the installation process, you can then open the application by clicking open, and you should be able to see your PrimeXBT application running on your PC. Log into an existing account or create a new account to get started. That is how you'll be able to download the PrimeXBT application for your PC. Now you'll be able to find the app in your home page for Android emulator. Also, a shortcut will be available on your desktop. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.